logic and reasoning. Today's our topic is transport. Just see the screen. What ma'am is showing us? Transport, vehicles. Okay. So we move from one place to another. It means it is transport. Just see there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. Just see what are the vehicles of land transport. Ma'am is showing us means of transport: motorcycle, auto rickshaw, car, train, bus. These are land transport. Now, air transport: helicopter, hot air balloon. Can you see hot air balloon? Rocket. It is going into the space. Rocket. Aeroplane. Water transport: ship, cruise, boat, yacht. Now, question related to this. Name any 5 vehicles. We have to name any 5 vehicles. Just see the picture. Helicopter, auto rickshaw, cruise, aeroplane, motorcycle. We can name any 5 vehicles. Name a vehicle which flies in the air. Which vehicle flies in the air? Aeroplane. Name a vehicle that has 3 wheels. Just see, auto rickshaw. Name a vehicle that moves on water. Boat. Name a vehicle that which runs on the track. Train. Now, English. E sound word. E sound words. Match the following with pictures. The first word is of egg. E-G-G, egg. So we have to match it with egg. Next word is net. N-E-T, net. So we will match it with net. Next word is den. D-E-N, den. We will match it with den. Next word is leg. L-E-G, leg. So we will match it with leg. Next word is pen. P-E-N, pen. We will match it with pen. So these words, we have to learn the spellings. We have to read and match it. Okay, fine, everybody, good. Now, Fill in the blanks with correct sound word. Just see the first picture is of red. R and D is written. So we will write here E. R-E-D, red. Next picture is of bell. B and double L, it is written. So now what will come in between? E. B-E double L, bell. Next picture is of vat. So W and T is already written. We will write E. E will come in between. So W-E-T, vat. Next picture is of jet. J and T is already written. So we will write here E. J-E-T, jet. Next picture is of bed. And B and D is already written. We will write in between E. B-E-D, bed. So these also we have to learn the spelling. We have to recognize the pictures. Okay, children. Okay. So tomorrow is Friday. So Friday activity. Get ready for tomorrow's activity. In Busy Bee book, we will do this boat. Okay, so get ready with this book. Everybody, what we will need? We will need pencil and erasers, Fevicol, crayons. Thank you and stay safe.